Hey guys, Brad here making a quick video. The YFZ450. Just picked it up from a buddy. Nice trade. Got a little high idle problem. Got a battery charging right now. If you listen to the carb, this is what I punch it, what it sounds like with no engine running. Kind of a normal sound, but it has a little bit of an extra clatter. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Now I'm going to start this bad boy up, and we'll start the video again then. Alright, you're watching a video of a warmed up YFZ450 Baldwin race motor, Olin shocks all the way around. Got a high hanging idle issue. A lot of adjustments with the carb cable, a lot of adjustments with the thumb throttle, and I can't figure it out. So I've got a Chariot Racing billet thumb throttle coming to replace this stock one with a busted adjuster there. I did JB weld it so I can get some adjustment out of it temporarily. And here we go. This is the issue. I'll start it up. This thing is warmed up, so keep that in mind. Adjusting it too far. Idle's fine until you punch the throttle. As soon as you punch the throttle, it wants to hang. Now if I kill the motor while it was hanging idle and I restart it, it goes away. Well, the minute I touch the throttle, it hangs. It's driving me nuts, pushing me through corners, gonna cause an accident. Help.